The first question is, we don't have blank time to complete the assignment. The correct answer is, any. The next question is, the boy blank bike was stolen is very sad. The correct answer is, whose. The next question is, you blank study harder if you want to pass the exam. The correct answer is, should. The next question is, I enjoy blank to music. The correct answer is, listening. The next question is, I am thinking of blank a new car. The correct answer is, buying. The next question is, he is bad blank remembering people's names. The correct answer is, at. The next question is, have you ever blank a horse? The correct answer is, ridden. The next question is, we were blank late for the meeting that we missed the first part. The correct answer is, 2. The next question is, I met the woman blank husband works at the bank. What is your answer? Write it in the comments. The next question is, have you ever blanked to Japan? The correct answer is, been. The next question is, he asked me blank I had seen the new movie. The correct answer is, if. The next question is, the plane blank land in about 20 minutes. The correct answer is, will. The next question is, look at those dark clouds. It blank rains soon. The correct answer is going to. The next question is, I blank already read that book twice. The correct answer is, have. The next question is, by the time we arrived, they blank already left. The correct answer is, had. The next question is, she is responsible blank organizing the event. The correct answer is 4. The next question is, I haven't seen him blank last week. The correct answer is since. The next question is, they blank studied English for 2 years. The correct answer is have. The next question is, the new school blank last year. The correct answer is was built. The next question is, when I arrived at the station, the train blank already left. The correct answer is had. The next question is, the manager decided to blank the meeting until next week. The correct answer is postpone. The next question is, I enjoy blank to music in the evening. The correct answer is listening. The next question is, she is waiting for the bus blank the bus stop. The correct answer is at. The last question is, she blank just finished her homework. What is your answer? Write it in the comments.